loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope all is well. So in today's video, I would like to show it to you one more time how to make or cook a steak using a cast iron. On my previous video, I had it with sirloin. Now this time it is a filet mignon. However, the procedure is the same, but I thought to show it to you one more time. And if you want to see how I made it, come and join me. Alright loves, so I seasoned our filet mignon steak already. So as you can see, I do have the fresh crushed garlic cloves in here, and then butter in here. As again, this is just a combination of garlic powder and a fresh crushed peppercorn. So right now the cast iron is preheating. It's still inside the oven, and then I did it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and there'll still be few minutes left, and I'm gonna show you how we cook these filet mignon. And again, I had this video last time, but I was using the sirloin, but this time I'm using the filet mignon. More or less the procedure is almost the same, but I thought that I would love to show it to you one more time with a different cut of a steak. So 5 minutes, right?
No. So the thickness those are at least 6, maybe 7.